I unwrapped, wanted to share with you. Still haven't looked at them. Oh wow, what a beauty. So I believe this is the banana crown pastel female. All of them are female, so we could leave that to the side. Let me unwrap this ball real quick. I'm sure it's shy. Come here, come here. Oh, you a strong one, huh? There you go. I'm not gonna do nothing to you. Come on. Come on. Show your beauty. Look at that beauty. Wow. You got a good grip on me, huh? Let me go. No. And the next one is. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Thank you for the surprise. So this is the mahogany pied. Thank you so much. You surprised me, huh? The mahogany pied female. Thank you so much, huh? Thank you for the surprise, yo. For real. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, you were sneaking out. This one is... Let's see. This is the Hypo OG Spot Nose Pastel Clown. 60% clown. 66% clown. So since my son was making noise. Pinstripe pied. Possibly